Hello and welcome to GlittershineNails. BeautyBigBang are having a Halloween discount sale and they have very kindly sent me some Halloween stamping plates. So in this video I'll be swatching and reviewing BeautyBigBang XL-090 and XL-091. All information about the sale along with my discount code can be found in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please make sure you have the bell notification on, and please also like this video. These things really do help out my channel. Thank you. So I have my usual stamper and scraper along with 6 coloured nail tips which I'll be swatching onto. I'll be starting with plate XL-090. For the first swatch I'll be using a yellow and green pigment powder nail tip along with a black stamping polish. When I place images like these, after I've removed the excess, I like to place them at an angle. I think they look great at an angle, and this is a very typical Halloween image. For the next swatch I'll be using a light blue coloured nail tip along with a metallic blue stamping polish. This skull image, I've never seen anything like it before. There is just so much detail. I couldn't decide at first the colour combo I wanted to use, but I think the light and the dark blue work really well with the skull. For the next swatch I'll be using a orange coloured nail tip along with a red stamping polish. Again, I've not seen any image like this before on a Halloween stamping plate. Not sure how I would use it in a mani as well. However, it's swatched really well, especially with all that detail in the design. Moving on to plate XL-091. For the first swatch I'll be using a light green coloured nail tip along with a midnight sparkly green stamping polish. Now once this has swatched, you'll see that it's not a clean swatch as I'm used to doing. This is me being very picky, but the photo swatch does show it much better, but it's still a nice image to use though. For the next swatch I'll be using a white coloured nail tip along with a dark grey stamping polish. I only really use grey stamping polishes for Halloween images, but the grey and white colour combo is very effective for Halloween manis, and these ghosty ghouls look really good. A classic Halloween design. For the next swatch I'll be using a neon red colour nail tip along with a black stamping polish. As with all BeautyBigBang stamping plates with the large images, I'm using my 2 lines of polish just so that I'm not flooding the image. But this colour combo is another great one for Halloween manis, and one that I think I've never done before. Neon red, Halloween, it's got to be a classic again. And then here they are all together. So let's move on to the photo swatches and manis that I've created from these Halloween BeautyBigBang stamping plates. BeautyBigBang XL-090 is full of some very cool images, of which there is 30 plus mixed small images, along with the 4 long images in the middle. They range from words, blood splatters, creepy faces, eyeballs, witches and brains. There is just so many possibilities with XL-090. You can create a mani just using these images or mix it with some other Halloween BeautyBigBang stamping plates. Out of all the Halloween stamping plates I don't think I have anything like these images, so I'm really excited to see what I can create with them. I will say though, the long thin line images in the middle, I wasn't happy with how they came out. The 2 non-open space images were definitely the better ones out of the 4, but all of the other images came out really well. I will leave a link for the previous video in the description box below, where I swatched and reviewed the first 3 Halloween BeautyBigBang stamping plates. I do feel that all 5 of these would work really well together. I definitely want to use from XL-090 the devil, the 2 witch images and the eyeballs. I know that the others definitely have witches and eyeball images. I'm not sure if this style of Halloween plate will be everyone's cup of tea, but BeautyBigBang do have a good selection of other Halloween stamping plates to choose from. And with their Halloween discount sale, along with my discount code, you'll be sure to find something that will suit everyone's taste. BeautyBigBang stamping plates are always very good quality and great for any ability. So whether you're just starting to stamp or have been stamping a while, I'm sure everyone will be able to work with them. So for this mani, I've used a white gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a metallic crimson and a black stamping polish. I have only used one image, but I've just turned the image in different directions, as well as only using a little bit of the image as well. I did think about turning the white into a black and white marble, but you could also extend the crimson colour by adding some fake blood to it as well. I really like this mani. It's simple, but it's a good base start. BeautyBigBang XL-091 has 14 large style images, which are from the spider webs, skull faces, the skeletons, along with the ghosts and eyeballs. Again, there is a lot of possibilities to XL-091. Some of the swatches do look quite dark and grungy looking. I should have maybe chosen some different colour combinations. Now, there was one image that I had trouble with, and it's the trick or treat skull in the lines. What a trouble I had with that, getting a good scrape. The swatch, I feel, doesn't do the image justice. I like to scrape in the directions of the lines, but then you also have to take in that you've got that open space at the bottom with the words. I couldn't, no matter how many times I tried in different directions to scrape, could I get a good swatch. This is the only image I probably wouldn't use. All of the other images came out really well. It's very rare that I have an issue with BeautyBigBang stamping plates. I wasn't so sure about the base colour for the skull on the bottom row. I thought the multicoloured background would look good. I'm on the fence with that one. The image swatched really well though. For this mani, I went with a black gel polish as my base colour, and I've stamped in a pearl white. A pearl white over darker colours does come out more silver, and I definitely prefer it instead of using silvers. I've used two different images. The eyeballs, I noticed, are sort of in spider web, so I thought that they would work well together. I really like this mani. I would wear it, apart from that there is a spider in there, and that is a huge nope from me. Huge arachnophobic. But I love the mani though. I've really enjoyed working with all 5 of these Halloween stamping plates. They have been really easy to work with, so make sure you check out their Halloween discount sale. All the information will be in the description box below, along with their social media as well. If you love Halloween as much as I do, then this is definitely a sale not to miss. I will be creating other Halloween manis using the BeautyBigBang stamping plates. They will be over on my Instagram page through the month of October. All of my swatches will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days, along with the manis and what products I've used. There is a link in the description box below. If you do come over and see my posts and you like them, please give them a like as well. I'd be really grateful. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these Halloween BeautyBigBang stamping plates. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.